Welcome to the reality check your bank never wanted you to have. If you are exhausted from watching your hard-earned money vanish, you don't need more hours at work. You need radical financial education. Welcome to the reality check your bank never wanted you to have. If you are exhausted from watching your hard-earned money vanish, you don't need more hours at work. You need radical financial education. The root of your problem isn't your inability to start saving money. It's a design flaw in your daily money management. Society has conditioned you to use consumerism as an emotional escape, trapping your personal finance in a perpetual loop. The root of your problem isn't your inability to start saving money. It's a design flaw in your daily money management. Society has conditioned you to use consumerism as an emotional escape, trapping your personal finance in a perpetual loop. In the next few minutes, you will uncover the precise mechanism that keeps your account empty and the exact step to override it today. Imagine you own a massive cargo ship. You want to cross the ocean, but there are 10 tiny holes in the bottom of the hull. What do? Do you build a bigger sail to go faster, or do you patch the leaks first? It sounds obvious, but most people try to solve their financial anxiety by chasing a promotion, completely blind to the fact that their financial ship is completely riddled with leaks. The holes are the forgotten digital subscriptions, the convenient delivery apps, and the lifestyle upgrades you justify by saying. These are the microtransactions, and they possess the quiet power to sink an economic empire. If you do not seal the leaks, a higher income will only cause you to sink faster in deeper waters. Traditional budgeting doesn't work because it treats the symptom, not the disease. Pay close attention, because Marcus's story is about to show you how earning 6 figures can still land you in absolute financial ruin if you don't control the holes. Marcus was a software consultant who finally hit the Holy Grail. A salary upgrade to $150,000 a year. Naturally, Marcus upgraded his life. He leased a premium sports car, moved into a luxury high-rise, and started ordering out every night. To the outside world, Marcus was the definition of financial success. But 12 months later, Marcus felt trapped. One night, he opened his accounts and realized a terrifying truth. After paying for his premium lifestyle, his savings were non-existent. He was completely broke at 6 figures. Marcus was trading his life force to maintain an illusion for people he didn't even care about. He had a massive engine, but a completely broken fuel tank. His stress ended the day he stopped fighting the system and automated his wealth instead. He learned to separate his lifestyle from his income. Let's seal this rule into your mind right now. If this video is exposing your reality and you are ready to patch the holes in your financial ship today, hit the like button as your active contract with wealth. Type the word OWN down in the comments. I want to see who is ready to take absolute command of their money starting this very minute. I read every single response. And share this right now with that one friend who works endless hours but never has money for anything. Save their future today. True wealth isn't determined by how much you make. It's determined by how much you retain and multiply. The ultimate strategy to master your money is friction manipulation. Make it difficult to spend and automatic to save. The moment your paycheck arrives, a fixed, non-negotiable percentage must be instantly routed to an isolated investment account before you even see it. If you try to save at the end of the month, you are guaranteed to fail. The economic matrix is mathematically optimized to consume every liquid dollar inside your reach. Breaking the empty account cycle requires short-term discipline, but it buys you permanent freedom. Your financial trajectory changes with the next transaction you choose to decline. Stopping the leaks is merely step 1 of the protocol. The real wealth game accelerates when you learn to deploy that saved capital into automated income assets. But the standard education system needs you financially illiterate so you stay a compliant worker forever. Our entire channel has been architected as an elite financial strategy matrix, created exclusively to reprogram your economic conditioning, safeguard your assets, and hand you the exact blueprint to sovereignty. Do not leave to consume scattered, superficial information that dilutes your focus. Click on our channel right now. Absorb our full weaponized arsenal of videos and seize absolute control of your economic destiny. I am waiting for you inside to build your empire. Enter now.